Look out, Maverick. Oh, Goose coming in. Oh. Even though this is a medical plane, not a fighter jet, it still feels pretty cool. I'd survive this thing for about 5 minutes and crash it, I reckon.
We finally made it into Darwin and back to saltwater, which we had been missing. We chose a little farm stay out of town to base ourselves, set up camp, and headed into town for a look around. On the agenda for the week was some long, hard training days and sightseeing. First stop, the Royal Flying Doctor Service on the waterfront.
I hope you've got your pilot's license. Do you know how to fly this thing? We're inside the cockpit.
Ready for takeoff.
Ready for takeoff.
Sit down, buckle up. Pretty cool.
What is that?
A big radio set. That's an old, you know how we got the radio in the car? That used to be the old radios. See that thing that's in the car? That would be that size.
Look at the view outside.
Yeah, it's pretty cool view, isn't it?
If anybody is wondering who the John Flynn is, he is the guy on the $20 note. What have we got here, babe?
We have got a, they're the Sunset Special oysters. They are bloody oysters with smoked salmon and king prawns in garlic butter.
Oh, they look delicious.
Stop it.
And where are we eating them?
Right here, Mindil Markets.
And the car park.
In the car park because you can't have dogs in markets, which is, anyway. Moving on. What do you reckon it looks like?
Fluffy.
Fluffy? Fluffy.
You look a bit like a twat.
Let's give the people a look how it looks. Oh yeah, full spec. Huh?
I'm not walking around with that.
Yes you are. Oh hello. Oh hello. What have you been doing today?
I'm not walking around like that. No way.
You be a good boy.
Are you giving yourself positive motivation?
Yeah. Yeah. I was talking to Louis.
Oh, okay.
See you, mate. He's just like, yeah, they've left me again. We're driving with a new...
Can't go 5Ks. It's 7.
There's a rule here in the caravan park. Wow.
She was so strict about it. Don't go over 5Ks.
It was a bit ridiculous, wasn't it? Like,
and she made it quite clear that people's car can go 5Ks. And now you're doing 7, so I can see... Oh, she's coming over.
yeah, we're done. Probably the end of us. Anyway, we're here in Darwin, aren't we?
Last time I checked.
We're going out to the casino tonight, actually, for one drink and a little bit of a donation to the blackjack dealers because they're doing it hard in Darwin. The blackjack dealers will be doing it hard.
It will not be happening.
So you got to support local blackjack dealers.
He had the last casino at Townsville.
I did, and that didn't go well. What else? That's it. We're going to go have a drink at the casino. We're going to go and...
Because it's a good place, apparently, to watch the sunset. Because
yes.
Mindil Markets, we went there last week. And it was just absolutely
4 million
ridiculous.
people.
It's
the whole
not
population
enjoyable.
of Darwin's on the beach.
People. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So,
and then they clap when the sun goes down, like it's a performance, like it's done a backflip or something. So I don't know, but
so apparently going to the casino is quite nice because you get a drink there and you can order food if you like, and we'll just watch the sun go down there. So hopefully a better experience.
Yes. So there you go.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're testing the new audio out. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up because it's been a bloody nightmare. I know it doesn't sound like much, but it's been dick show.
Thumbs up the audio.
Thumbs up for the audio. If this is good audio, thumbs up. If it's not, give it a thumb.
Jugsy to make some improvements.
Yeah, tell me to solve, but that's
maybe
it.
provide him some suggestions of what he can.
Let me know.
He's thinking about getting a film crew.
Yeah, it's close. We're pretty popular these days, so. Anyway, here we go. Peace out. Lena's getting out to get the gate. See yous.
We're here at Good Thanks Burgers and Bar in downtown Darwin. Just been for a 43k ride this morning. There's some mountain biking tracks, cross country tracks. Now we're just having a little bit of a cheeky carved up feed.
Burger, chips, beers. Yes.
Look at this. Check this out.
Yeah.
Yum. Look at that for a burger. So we've just finished our burgers and devoured them. And yeah, plates are empty. And we've got to say, we're always on the hunt for a good burger. And that was pretty damn delicious. Definitely a 2 thumbs up. Definitely, if you get to Darwin, come to Good Thanks Burgers. Good Thanks Burgers. Get yourself a burger and a beer. Don't know about the Coopers though. Sorry for Coopers fans, but Coopers Pale Ale is not really down on that, but that's not their fault. But the burger was... I had the flaky chicken burger and it had a little bit of a curry flavour to the chicken. Oh. And what do you have?
A mustard special. It was like a chili sauerkraut, mustard, beef patty, cheese.
And this was a recommendation from the guys at the cycle shop, so get on.
From the cycle zone in Darwin. And they didn't say, yeah, he's done a solid job.
So get on into Good Thanks.
Good thanks.
Yo!
Righto, ladies and gentlemen. This girl here, right here, has just done 61 Ks on a mountain bike. How do you feel? Oh, it should be hurting. I could say girl, or I could say Demigorgon 7000. What's going on, babe? What's happening? How do you feel, gorgeous? You've done exceptionally well. I'm hurting, she'd definitely be hurting. It's 30, 35, 36 degrees here in Darwin. How you going, babes? Give us a shout for the camera, go on.
No, I hate you right now.
This is usual. This is usually I hate you.
You make me do this.
I make you do this, yep. That's how it goes, ladies and gentlemen. She's smiling. See? Oh, good. Yeah, no, they love this.
It's not fair. You made me do this.
She secretly wants to. She does. She secretly wants to. See, she's laughing about it. She's trying to eat an apple out in the track and struggling, almost coming off the bike. Eating a big mob apple, weren't ya? Huh? Weren't ya? How'd you go? Tell the cat. Come on, everyone wants to know. 61 Ks of pain, how'd you go? What do you reckon? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Yesterday you made me do 40.
Yeah.
I probably feel about the same as yesterday.
There you go. So what are we going to do tomorrow? 80.
Tomorrow is 1 lap. That's it.
Big mob lap, biggest mob.
20 Ks.
Flat out though, 20 Ks threshold.
Oh. I hate...
Well, tell me.
No worries, mate. And you'll be cooking your own dinner and making your own lunch and breakfast.
Oh, love it. Oh, love this.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, yeah. No, you done well, babes. Give us a smile for the camera. Huh?
Why do you think I did well? Yeah, I've seen you struggling plenty of times.
I did.
Make out you're the hero. Hey, get the camera out of my face.
Here, turn around. Here. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. See, we love each other very much, don't we? No. Smile.
I'm not smiling.
I'm not smiling. I don't want to smile.
I want to cry.
Oh no! You done well, but oh God, Jesus!
All right. It's the day after
The 60 Ks.
the 60 Ks.
Made Lena ride 61 Ks yesterday, and
I wasn't very happy.
you've already seen her.
I was a bit upset after it all.
Yeah.
Training was just painful. It was sore.
Sore. She
So,
can see that.
I can see that.
Anyway, so yeah, here we are, the day after. So we
Day
did 40
after.
Ks first day, we did 60 Ks the second day,
We're
and
at
now
Charles Darwin National Park.
Yep.
And there's some like little technical trails here.
and we're going to do
I'm just going to do some technical training.
80 Ks today.
No, we're not. We're just going to do an hour or so, just on the little tight little track.
We're going to do 20 Ks or so. So if she dawdles around, it'll take longer.
No.
That's what she's saying. An hour? Nah, 20 Ks. Boom.
Listen to him. You didn't hear him 5 minutes in the van when he was saying, "Oh, I'm actually quite sore today."
I'm actually quite sore.
He's actually quite painful. Like he bungs it on that he's all good, just to stir me up. But so here we are, top of the mountain. with a beautiful view. And I've gotten up here. We did the
We're away
track. It was an easy little track up. Handled it a hell of a lot better than the last time. I've got the new bike now, so I had the Hail before, and it was designed for downhill mountain biking. This one is an advanced, advanced zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's made for uphills, which is excellent. So I can now keep up with this one over here. He's got the Trance, and now kind of, because we're going in a team race for Cape to Cape, we can now at least keep up with each other a bit more competitively, because we're kind of on that same playing field now, the same bike. So next part of the track is the rocky terrain down.
Oh yeah.
Not my favourite. I chucked a tanny last time. Another one of my
Dummy spits.
dummy
Toys,
bits.
toys are everywhere. The cot was empty. All the toys were out of the cot. So yeah.
Stay tuned. Let's see how we go. There's a legend in here. Hey! Look at this legend here. How did you go today?
Bloody excellent.
Bloody excellent. How's your performance?
Oh yeah, up there.
It was up there.
Not bad.
Always,
Not bad.
always extraordinary. You go.
I don't know about that.
You go all right, you know.
Get off it. What do you want, hey?
I just want your love and affection.
Righto, here we go.
Yo! So it's a very special day.
Yeah.
We have my best to see friend coming up from Brizzy, Miss Jennifer. So Jen's arriving today from Brisbane. Super excited. She's going to travel with us for 9 days.
Just watched the app. Just watched the flight on the app come in. So she's all good. She's
just landed.
Just landed, so we've got to punch her down the airport and pick her up.
Got a drinking buddy.
Oh, God. Splishy. Where does it go?
What?
Splishy splash.
Splishy splash. We just have a little splishy splash. So
Anyway.
it's gonna be so good having her.
Yes.
She's picking up a little
Spritz thing. Sprinter.
Sprinter van.
Sprinter, yeah.
And I'm gonna go through Kakadu and take it on a Mataranka. Yeah, it's gonna be super fun. So Louie's gonna be super excited to see her. So yeah, that's what's happening today. So,
Alright. Peace out.
trying to find Jen at the drive past pickup area. At the drive past pickup. How warm is it? Are we, Jen?
Brits.
We're at Brits. What are we doing at Brits?
Get the home.
Getting the home, that's it. All right, let's go find this big bad boy. Here we are in Jen's little Brits camper van.
Oh yeah.
Just getting the little tour.
Beautiful. That'll be. Have your aircon with you.
There.
Yeah, where we're staying tonight.
The final things.
Yeah, okay.
This thing's quite nice. She's got all cupboards
so
up here. She's got her own little cooking spot. Yeah.
I'll put it down.
Got the fan.
She's got a fan.
Yeah, sweet. Oh, yeah.
What do we do? There's a few lack of windows. Lack of windows.
Yeah, I'll go around with it. Yeah.
You happy, Jen?
Yep, happy.
It's pretty cool.
It's good.
I love it. It's going to be very homely. We can even stop at Bunnings and get
Just terrified of how to drive this beast, that's all, but I'll figure it out
You'll be
pretty
right.
quickly.
You can handle it.
It's bigger than expected.
But nice. Should be good. Jen's got her van. She's driving it for the first time. Ben's with her, so Jugsy's going to help her out. And I'm going to drive the rock back to camp. Is it Jenny? Yeah. Why don't you go have a look? Go see Jen. Go on. Over here. Hi! Hello! Oh, I missed you. Hello! Who's that?
Hello. Been a while. It's been a while. Little adventurer. Hey.
I don't get dressed up very often, so it's nice to be on camera when you're glamorous.
Neither do I. Well, I'm glamorous all the time, so.
We are here at the casino to see the beautiful sunset because we have discovered that it's so much nicer to see the Mindil sunset at the casino than it is at the Mindil markets.
Which is
we have got drinks
Yeah.
and And we have got beautiful
I wasn't ready for it. I thought you were taking a photo.
Yeah, that's totally going to make the piece. Good one, Jen.
Righto, what have we found here?
Let's go, bro.
We're at the pay station. Oh, what is this? What is it?
It's a rock. And it says something on the back. Northern Territory rocks. Facebook and a thing. So I've heard about these. I think you relocate them. I think you can keep them or relocate them, but they encourage you if you keep them, I think, to paint a rock and replace it. So we might relocate this somewhere. Hey?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Boom.
We're down here at bloody the alright, cut.
We're at the Darwin waterfront.
We're at the Darwin waterfront. Here we are, we're going for a swim. Nah, it's not good. I'm all worried about kids. I'm like, oh god, there's a kid there. Oh no! This is ridiculous, YouTube. Sort your shit out. Here we are, we're down at the Darwin waterfront. Look, you have to swim down here. I'm just going to walk down here, filming everyone.
Got the rock in there.
Where's the rock? Here we go.
It's relocated.
Nice.
We're going to relocate it. I can touch. I can touch.
Oh, there's something there. No, we haven't.
When's the last time we've been in saltwater?
Oh my god, you can take watching here?
Yes, I can.
Hey, not saltwater. What's happened? What was the dilemma just then?
So we just saved a child's life.
Oh yes, there was that.
He was taking in litres of water, gasping in the splashing about.
It was about 20 mils, but litres.
But we came to his rescue and saved his life.
Found a pair of sunnies in the
And then we found a pair of sunnies.
And we didn't steal them.
Yes.
No, we did leave them
Such
there.
good citizens today, aren't we?
That's right. Have a look where we are. This is bloody Sky Bridge, I think they call this. This thing. Before we left Darwin and headed to Kakadu, there were a few last minute attractions to squeeze in with Jen. One of them happened to be the Darwin Military Museum. While a lot of the exhibitions were static, there were quite a few interactive experiences and movies. While nothing like the real thing, it gave you some sense of appreciation as to what it could have possibly been like not all that long ago. We only spent a few hours there as we underestimated its size and scope of historical artefacts. If you're interested in visiting, get in early and plan to spend the day. Where are we? Hello?
We're in another room of
Command
the
post.
What are we? We're in a command post.
Command post, I think it is.
Oh.
At the bloody Darwin Defence Museum. Check this out.
Has it been converted?
Yeah, that's what it said.
And there's a cool photo display of like all original photos that were taken at the time in this room in here, which is kind of really interesting to see. And this shows all the bombings, all the bombs that were dropped. Evacuation orders.
Here we are, Pratt Markets. That's right, we're going this way. Had to get some laksa for breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Yum.
Who's this strange woman with her hat down that doesn't want to get on the camera? Huh?
Miss Jenny. Hello. Miss Jenny.
Very good.
Yes,
Peace.
I'm hungry. I'm pretty excited.
Tune in next week as we explore Kakadu National Park. Jen gets her first dump point experience and we see some big salties. Catch you on the flip side.